Okay, High Level Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Today we're going to talk about how you create a dedicated email domain in your sub account in High Level, so you can now email people and have high deliverability with your email so it lands in their inboxes. Okay, it's very important you do this because one way you outreach to potential clients is by emailing them, and you want to have this dedicated email so firstly it looks professional, and secondly this high deliverability. So let's get into that, how exactly you do it. Okay, first you go into a sub account. I'm on Dawn MMA right now. Then you go down to settings, email services, and this notification should come up. Important notification: boost your email deliverability. So you're going to go here, press create dedicated domain. Next, you're going to type in the domain. The domain can't have an @ signal. You can't have this signal in it. You can have dots in the domain, and it should end in whatever your domain is. So this client's domain is dawnma.co.uk. So that should be the ending, and you can change the beginning. So the guy's name, I'm gonna put. So the client's name, I'm gonna change this to his name .dawnma.co.uk. Okay. There's no @ signals. This is the domain, and it has to end in whatever the domain ends in. So if yours could be .com, if your domain ends in that. But so he has his domain configured as .co.uk. So that's what we're going to run with. So we've got it as his name .dawnma.co.uk. Okay. Add and verify. Then it's gonna say this: connect your domain subdomain. You press continue. Let this do its thing. Now hopefully you should see this. Whatever the domain provider is, you should see this screen. And if you don't, I'll show you how to do that, but you have to do it manually, which is a bit of a headache. So once you see this screen, you press authorize domain. Now once you're authorized, you need to log in to the GoDaddy account or whatever your client's account. Make them log in, jump on a Zoom call, and make them authorize this. So let me quickly do that. Next, you'll see something like this. This could be on Cloudflare as well. You just want to let it connect and authorize. Press connect. Okay, if it doesn't already, so once you authorize it, you should come to this page, and some should be verified. And if, for example, some are not verified, it says here not verified. Give it like 60 seconds, then come off it, go back on it, verify, and it should all be done. And if there's one or two taking a while, just come back another 6 seconds, repeat the process. It should be fine. And then once all of them are verified, this last one you don't need to, just click verify domain, and boom, we are now emailing from avase.dawnmma.co.uk. Done. SSL is issued, and we're now emailing from this professional domain with higher deliverability, and it's much better than saying leadconnector.co.uk, whatever it says normally. And if you have to do it manually for whatever reason, if that screen didn't pop up so you can authorize it automatically, if that didn't happen, then comment below and I'll go on a Zoom call with you and see why it's not happening. But if it is manual, this is what you do. You'll have to go and manually add your DNS settings. So if you have to do something like this, then you'd have to manually create a TXT record. You'd have to manually create these records. Now if something like this, you see something like this happening to you, you have to manually add them, and I can help you with that. If this is happening to you, just drop a comment and I'll jump on a Zoom call with you same day or next day, and we'll get this problem sorted. I'll go through it with you because it's quite a lot just to put in one video. But 99% people go through the first case scenario. So that's how you create a dedicated email domain in High Level. Make sure you get this done. If you want to see the best, if you want to see the best affiliate program on the planet, look at all these perks here. Literally, there's nothing else on the planet. You get the best. If you want to learn High Level, the best place to learn is with me, I promise you. And it doesn't cost you anything. Because the money you'd already give to High Level, portion that comes down to me. So it costs you nothing and you get all these perks. So it's a no-brainer. Make sure you guys do that, and yeah, thank you.